All right, let's dive in. If you're out there integrating professional AV systems, you know the pain points.
Oh, yeah.
Cable distance limits, trying to find power in impossible spots, and that frustrating digital handshake error that just leaves you with a blank screen.
The dreaded blank screen.
Exactly. So today, we are doing a deep dive into the Blustream HEX70HDU-KIT. It's a pretty sophisticated presentation switch and HDbaseT Extender Set that's, well, it's designed to make all those problems just go away.
It really is. It's tackling what is probably the biggest hurdle in modern installs, trying to get massive amounts of video data across long, affordable copper runs.
We're talking about the heavy stuff.
The heaviest. We're talking uncompressed HDMI 2.0 signals. So 4K at 60 Hz with 4.4.4 color, that requires a blistering 18 gigabits per second of bandwidth.
Which is just huge.
It's massive. And to push that signal over any real distance, the kit uses advanced HDbaseT with something called color space conversion, or CSC.
Okay, so CSC is really the secret weapon here.
It is.
So our mission today is to show you exactly how this system uses that tech to, simplify your whole infrastructure and manage these complex signals.
Think of CSC like efficiently folding a giant roadmap so it can fit into a tiny envelope. It lets that massive 18 gig signal travel over a standard SATA cable without any, perceived loss in quality.
And that translates to real-world performance.
Exactly. It means you can deliver full 4K UHD video up to 40 meters.
40 meters, and for 1080p.
If you're running 1080p, that distance shoots way out to 70 meters.
Wow.
And crucially, you don't compromise on the audio. The system fully supports advanced formats like Dolby True HD, Atmos.
And DTS HD master audio, I'm guessing.
All of them. It just passes them through seamlessly.
So let's talk about the transmitter, the HEX70HDU-TX. That's where the switching happens.
Right. It's multi-format, which is fantastic. You get one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and a really powerful USB-C input.
And it has auto source selection, so it's smart.
Very smart. It just prioritizes the last device you plug in. But we really need to focus on that USB-C port for a moment.
Okay.
It supports full 4K, 60 Hz, 4.4.4. But the real insight, the game changer, is the 60-watt charging capability.
So it's a one-cable solution for a laptop.
Exactly. You connect your laptop for video, and you're powering it at the same time. No more separate power brick.
That is a huge relief for meeting room cable management. Speaking of relief, let's talk about power over cable, or PCO.
Right. PC is more than just a convenience. It's a massive time saver on an install. This kit supports bidirectional PC.
Meaning you can power it from either end.
Either end. So think about it. You're the installer, you're up on a ladder, trying to find an outlet for the receiver unit that's tucked behind a display.
It's never there.
It's never there. But with this, you can just power the receiver from the transmitter back in the rack. You completely eliminate that problem.
You save hours. So, okay, signal and power are handled. What about control? How do we, the learner, actually manage and configure this thing?
Management is very comprehensive. You've got front panel controls, IR, RS-232, TCP/IP, and there's also a web interface for all the deep configuration.
And I have that auto display on-off feature, right?
It does, which is fantastic for energy saving. It uses either CEC, which talks to the display over the HDMI cable itself, or good old RS-232 to automate the display's power.
That kind of integration is what separates an easy install from a really frustrating one. And for audio, I see it also has an audio breakout feature.
Yeah, and it's concurrent. So you get audio out to both analog LR and a coaxial digital SPDIF output at the same time. It covers pretty much every base for piping audio to an external amp or a DSP.
So when you put it all together, what does this all mean, Fao? The HEX70HDU-KIT is a truly robust single-cable solution. It wraps up high-performance 4K switching, long-distance extension, and even device charging into one package.
And it has that 5-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. But if we connect this back to the bigger picture, I want to leave you with a final thought. We focus a lot on the big stuff, the bandwidth, the distance.
The headline features.
Exactly. But system reliability really rests on the hitter features. Things like the kit's advanced EDIDE and HDCP management.
The digital handshakes.
The crucial digital handshakes. EDIDE is how the source and the screen agree on the best picture, and HDCP is the copyright protection that has to work. So ask yourself, how often do we really think about how vital those systems are? Because when they fail, you get that dreaded blank screen, and the entire install is a failure.
It doesn't matter how far the signal travels if it doesn't show up.
Precisely. That reliable, invisible management of those tiny digital conversations, that's what ensures seamless operation day in and day out. That's what you're really buying here.